Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Discord bot token. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Discord developer portal. Once there, you'll need to log in with your Discord account. After logging in, proceed to create a new application. This application will serve as the foundation for your bot, allowing you to manage its settings and access its unique token. It's the essential first step. After creating your application, you'll need to add a bot user to it. On the left sidebar, click on the Bot tab. Then, click the Add Bot button and confirm your choice. This action creates the actual bot user associated with your application. Remember, your bot token is a sensitive piece of information, so it's crucial to keep it secure and private from this point forward. Now that your bot user is created, you can reveal its token. Still within the Bot tab, look for the Token section. You might see a button that says Click to reveal token or simply Copy. Click this button to display the token string. Once revealed, immediately copy this token. You will need it to connect your bot to Discord through your bot's code. Your bot token is like a password. Never share it publicly or embed it directly in your code. If you suspect your token has been compromised, immediately return to the developer portal and regenerate it to invalidate the old one. This new token will then be used in your bot's configuration to authenticate it with Discord, allowing it to function correctly and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.